Good morning, everyone. Hi, Mother. Good morning.
Hello, sis. How are
And
you?
welcome. I'm okay, Mother. How about you, Mother? Correct. Di ba? Excited na ba kayo? Because today we will be joined by one of the veteran actors in the Philippine showbiz industry. Mother! Totoo naman. Pero totoo naman, Mother. Di ba?
Well, yeah.
Diba? So, good morning, everyone. Another Thursday, Green Mile session, diba? Today, we are happy to, we got aligned with the schedule of Mother. Kasi bihira lang po, busy-busy po si Mother. A lot of tapings and a lot of businesses she's handling. So, yeah, so later, you'll get to know her more. So, watch out for that. And she is also one of our executives here in Green Mile, and of course, the uber supportive mother of the Green Mile team. Totoo naman, Mother. Please welcome our guest for today, a character actress, a celebrity, a brand builder. Ladies and gentlemen, G Milers, Miss Sheer Valdez. Hi, Mother!
Grabe naman sa inyo.
Hi, Mother!
Ako
Di
doon.
ba? Totoo naman. Totoo.
My
Totoo
gosh.
yun, totoo
Anyway,
yun.
good afternoon, everybody.
Yes, Mother.
I'm sure you're all having your lunch, and we are with you during your lunch hour.
Truly, indeed, truly.
So, let's talk. Let's have a good conversation. Since
Yes.
you're doing so well.
Thank you, Mother.
Grabe,
Because
sanay
guided po ako, di ba, Mother?
Grabe.
Sa outfits, sa dapat, ka dapat daw, ganito. Marami siyang, pointers na binibigay sa akin sa Mother. But anyway, Mother, i-greet muna natin lahat ng G-Milers natin.
Yes, good afternoon. Magandang araw po sa lahat ng mga G-Miler friends natin, family, ambassadors,
Yes.
na nanonood din sa atin, ng ating mga distributors, friends of Green Mile. Hello po sa inyo lahat.
True. And speaking of ambassadors, it is because of Mother. Mother Sheer, we have ambassadors na nagpapasalamat po kami, Mother. Sa lahat,
ano ba?
sa suporta, sa lahat po, Mother. Sa lahat. Maraming salamat po.
You know what they say, the only thing in this world na libre is actually yung pakikisama.
True. Ay,
Yan.
kahapon, Mother, yan ang
Yeah.
pinag-usapan namin isa.
Pakikisama, malasakit, yan ang mga importante na meron ka.
Hindi.
And hindi yan nababayaran, hindi rin yan nabibili.
That is so
So,
true.
that's exactly what we have here in Green Mile.
Correct.
We have a good group of people
Yes, indeed.
na may mga malasakit,
Yeah.
merong ang pagmamahal sa kumpanya, at higit sa lahat, naniniwala sa brand, naniniwala sa produkto. That's exactly what we have.
Totoo po, Mother. And to think na akala nila, Mother, marami tayo. Pito lang po kami. So all the marketing and all the sales strategy that we do, kami lang ho. Nagtutulong-tulong po kami lahat dito.
Well, you know what they say, kasi we are a startup company.
Yes, ma'am.
And you know how this company was brought about? It started with a dream.
True.
A dream of one family.
Yes, ma'am.
And they wanted to give something to the people.
True.
Because what we have is really truly beneficial for the body
True.
of everyone who will actually try our products, because hindi po ako nag-hard sell or anything, but the only thing that I really do in my life is when I do something, when I endorse something, it has to be good. Kasi ano yun hindi lang para sa'yo, para sa mga tao. Sila yung magbe-benefit doon more
Correct
than
po.
us.
Totoo.
Diba? So, yun. We have a good product, and that's something na ilalaban namin kahit saan.
Totoo yan. That is for sure. And yan ang may promise namin sa inyong lahat. So,
Yes.
Mother, we will talk today about a topic I think very close to your heart, Mother.
How close?
Because we will be talking about friendship that turn into business.
Oh!
Diba?
Yes, totoo.
Nako, makaka-relate ka talaga dito, Mother, kasi this is one of the examples of one of your businesses that you're handling na started from friendships, di ba?
Pero dahil dyan, hindi ako makakuha.
Oo,
Wala akong
correct.
kape. So I need to have
Correct.
my 7-in-1 Green Mile coffee.
That is so
And
true.
kung nakikita nyo lang, actually, meron yan mga green particles dyan.
Correct.
Kasi yan po yung lahat ng barley, malunggay,
True.
mangosteen, collagen. This coffee is really safe for you.
And it's boosted with the natural sweetener, which is
Yes,
monk fruit.
fruit and
Yes.
stevia.
Yes,
Ayan.
yes.
So, safe na safe po ito. Pero, hindi lang yan. Watch out. If this coffee is already safe, watch out for those who has actually diabetes because we are coming up very, very soon with our new coffee. It's called Musato.
Yep.
Ito po talaga is ginawa para sa mga diabetics.
Yes.
So, safe na safe para sa inyo.
Yes.
Kasi yun ang problema, di ba? We take coffee every day.
Yep.
Tapos, if your sugar is above
Ang
its
dami ng
normal
restrictions,
level,
yes.
talagang magkaka-diabetes ka.
Correct.
And ang hindi kasi alam ng marami, karamihan po sa mga kape na nandiyan dyan, is talagang loaded with sugar, which is not really good for you.
True.
So, hindi ko sila sinisiraan or anything.
Right.
I'm just really being very factual. Ito pong sa amin, kahit saan tayo makarating, nilalaban namin. And talagang we give what is deserving of one body. Ayan.
Correct. Totoo.
Okay, game.
So, Mother, I have prepared a couple of questions for you for this episode so that we get to know you more and your experience. So, G ka na ba, Mother?
Gina!
Gusto ko talagang Gina! Let's go! Gina si Mother!
Gina! Gusto ko yan.
You have your own. So first, let us get to know Miss Sheer. Before you have become part of Green Mamader, what do you do for a career? Tell us about your showbiz career.
Oh, well, actually, with my showbiz career, I started when I was only 13 or 14 years old.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I started very young, and I was one of the young stars during the 80s. Ang mga contemporary ko, kami nila Janice, Julie Vega, Gretchen Barreto, Nadia Montenegro. Kaya magkakaibigan kami,
Totoo,
sila
totoo,
Balot,
totoo.
sila Lotlot. Yan, kami yung young stars before.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
And then, after nyan, I flew to the States for quite a while. Kasi syempre, underage pa ako nun. So ako nung desisyon ng magulang ko, susunod ako, wala naman akong choice, di ba? So when I decided to migrate in the States, I was with them. Kaya for a while, wala ako in the industry.
Okay.
Yes, I think
That
nung
explains
mag-artista
why.
ako, I think I was very active only for 2 to 3 years. And then after nun, I flew to the States. And then in 1991, I came back, did a couple of films, and then I got kind of exhausted because ako lang mag-isa. After nun, I stopped until when I did a marketing campaign for a product before. My gosh, ngayon ko lang na-realize, matagal ko na pala siyang ginagawa. And then I did a campaign ad for an e-book man, para siyang pang-pilot.
Okay.
Kasi laki ng telepono, you can see, you can read all your books there. It's an e-book gadget.
Okay, yeah.
And then after nun, kasi syempre nagtitipid yung company before how to do the marketing na hindi masyadong malaking nilalabas namin pera. So para masulat yung company and makapag-promote ako ng maayos, I used my celebrity status. Kasi pag artista ka, mas mabilis kang makakuha ng mga interviews.
Connections.
Ma-feature ka
Right.
ng, not so much na in monetary angle. So I was
Right.
able to do that.
Right.
And nung nasayaran ako ng camera, ayun na. Kasi I was being interviewed by, sino ba to? One of the prominent journalists, I forgot lang the name, si Kuya. He died na kasi.
Oh.
Ricky Lo. Tito
Oh.
Ricky. Tito Ricky was able to interview both in print and then may interview din kami, live interview. So nang masayaran ako ng camera, oh my gosh, ayun na. Parang hinanap ng katawan ko.
Mm-hmm.
So, I decided to go back into the business. And that was 25 years ago. In 2000. It's 2025 na tayo.
Yes,
diba?
ma'am.
So, yun. And yun yung parang my re-entry in the business in 2000. Yun yung parang doon pa lang ako ulit nag-artista.
Okay.
Because when I was younger, I was handled by my mom. We had our own company. And gumawa siya ng mga pelikula. So, hindi ako masyadong nahirapan.
Right.
Pero nung bumalik ako, sabi ni mami ko, mag-produce ba tayo? Sabi ko, no, wag, please. Sabi ko sa kanya ganun, let me do it on my own because people doesn't think I have the talent. Because nandiyan ka,
Right.
nagpo-produce ka
Yeah.
ng mga movies. So sabi ko, let me just do it right.
Mhm.
I'm not saying it was wrong what you did. I am grateful for that because it paved the way for me to become Cher Valdez.
True.
And then when I returned, I just wanted to prove that, uy, I also have the talent.
Yes.
I really prepared for it.
Of course, mother.
So that's it. Yun yung journey ng pagiging artista
So, tama po
Alam
talaga.
ko na, I'm still...
Tama ko lang ginamit ko, mother, na veteran. One of the better actresses actresses in the showbiz industry of the Philippines. Di ba, mother? So, wow, imagine, ang tagal
From
yun.
thin
Uh-huh.
to this.
Na kapag nakita nyo siya, nung... Ay, naku, sinasabi ko sa inyo.
Ay, watch out. Wait lang magsha-shoutout lang ako.
Oh, yes, madam.
Dr. Roland Angeles. Gusto ko na pong pumayat. So, dadalawin ko po kayo very soon. Sabi ng friend ko si Lovely Rivera. So, I am going to your clinic very soon. Papayatin niyo po ako, ha?
Yes, Miss Lovely. Yeah, oo, kasi si Miss Lovely.
Very fit
No,
now,
no.
yes.
And she's one of our ambassadors. And I'm
Yes.
sure the fact that she loves our fit and curve.
Actually, si Gineb, Gineb,
Diba?
kasi I call her Gineb.
Yes.
To maintain her weight now,
Yes, the
takes
fit and
this.
curve.
Kasi
Yeah.
ito yung pampapayat.
Yes,
so
yung
lalo siyang
coffee.
sumisexy.
That is so
Yes.
true. That is so true. Na-interview ko si Miss Lovely dito, mother. Di ba? Di ba? She was here and yun nga sabi niya, she loves our fit and curve. And
Yes.
now, so pwede po tayo makahingi ng niya, picture and I don't know.
Oh, yes.
Just
Sige,
to,
sige.
just to check. We will not be posting if it's not allowed. So.
No, it's allowed.
Okay,
Don't
thank you.
worry.
Perfect. Diba?
Ako yung bahala kay Lovely.
Siya ang connection. And speaking of connection, ako,
Na mapapanood niyo pala si Lovely sa Hating Kapatid
Yes.
ng GMA7.
ayun, no? And brother, di ba, nasa, yung, ni Miss Jasmine, sino yun? Si Miss,
Kaya mo yan?
Show? Yung show niyo?
Akusada.
Akusada, yes!
With Andrea Torres.
Andrea Torres.
Yes, actually, kakatapos lang ng soap namin na yun. Ang pumalit din sa amin, I think, is Hating Kapatid.
Yung kay Miss.
Tama ba?
Yan yung kay Miss, yung kay Miss Lovely.
Oo, yan kay
Diba?
Lovely. So, kasunod
Oo.
kami.
Perfect. Kaya nung past few months, Mother was really busy. Hindi
Sobra.
namin naisingit yung...
Yes.
Actually, this is a long overdue interview.
Yes.
kaso wala.
Ang ginagawa ko, iba-iba yung nilalagay
Yeah,
ko.
yeah. Yun ang ginagawa. Ito na muna siya. Ito. Matatapos na yung taping ko, so let's go na. So,
Yes.
and now is the perfect time. And yeah, andito na si Mother ngayon. And on to the next question we go, Mother. How did you develop friendship with our CEO, Miss May?
Oh my gosh.
And another executive, Attorney Julius,
Yes.
Astur.
Our legal.
Our legal. How did it all started, Mother?
Okay. I met May in 2019. It was during the pandemic. And we were in another company. We were together in one company.
Mhm.
Yung company na yun, skincare yun skincare. Pero kasi hindi siya talaga masyadong umusad because
Right.
medyo naiba. I cannot
Yeah, of
divulge
course.
the details.
Of course.
But, May and myself, we continued with the friendship.
In fairness.
Dire-diretso
In
yung friendship.
fairness.
Kahit wala na yung company, lagi ko yung kasama.
Yep.
If there are things na mahirap with my personal life, she'd always be with me. Kasama ko yan hanggang simbahan.
True.
So, sabi ko nga, I think the previous company was just a way para magkakilala kaming lahat. Because yung mga nakasama namin doon, nakasama pa namin sa ibang kumpanya. In total, I think I am with May sa 4 na kumpanya.
Yeah.
I am with her, with Mazi Invictus.
Yes. That's the consultancy.
Yes. We used to work for an HMO company.
Yep.
And then this one.
And then another one.
And another one
Yeah.
also. So,
Yeah.
ayan, magkasama kami.
True.
Ang maganda lang sa amin kasi, di ba sabi kasi nila, pag friends kayo, wag mong irarock, wag kayong magnenegosyo. Because chances are, masisira yung friendship
It's a
ninyo.
different story in your case,
Yeah,
mother.
ako kasi, sa akin, kahit naman hindi kayo magkaibigan may pwede kayong masira
Yeah.
there are many factors
True.
in a business para masira.
True.
Primarily pera.
Yes.
Pag hindi malinaw ang usaping pera sa negosyo ninyo, problema yan. Pag hindi malinaw kung ano yung functions ninyo, anong specialization ninyo, pag hindi kayo sumiro in sa kung ano yung dapat para sa iyo ginagawa mo, responsibilities mo, yung magkakaroon ka talaga ng problema,
So,
di ba?
and also, mother, if you're not aligned with your
Yes,
goals
exactly.
sa company, I don't think it's gonna work.
Exactly. And, fortunately, that's exactly what we have.
Yes.
Both May, Attorney
And
Julius, and myself,
Yes, mother.
we are aligned and we know clearly kung ano yung responsibilities namin.
True.
And what's nice about it, hindi kami nagpapakialamanan kung ano yung responsibilidad na nasa amin. Like ako, I am primarily creative and PR.
Yes.
Ako yan.
Yes.
Si May is the business
Ops.
side. Operations.
Yes.
Gosh, the brain of your sister. I'd like to really, alam mo yun, kung pwede ko lang buksan. Because she really has a brilliant mind. Ang taba ng utak.
Totoo,
And
totoo.
napakasipag. Alam mo,
True.
Monday to Friday.
To Sunday,
Monday to
actually.
Sunday. Wala kaming
Pahinga.
Wala kaming pahinga.
Wala po.
Sa ngalan ng Missouri University.
Dahil
Because she
kailangan
has-
po.
Because she has a daughter who is
Studying
who's studying in
Missouri.
Missouri.
Yes.
And mind you, this kid is just as intelligent as her mother.
She is
Because
brilliant.
scholar yan.
She is
Scholar,
brilliant.
bibigyan ko kayo ng tip hindi tip, ng kwento. Alam mo ba yung batang yan, nag-apply sa lahat ng colleges ng Pilipinas, tanggap.
Pasado lahat. Name it.
Nag-apply sa lahat ng colleges sa ibang bansa,
Pasado.
tanggap din lahat.
That is so
Ganon
true.
siya katalino.
True.
Kaya I am excited when Nicole actually comes home.
Yes, gets to finish her studies.
Because lahat ng napag-aralan niya at na-absorb niya at nalaman niya at gagawin niya dito sa Pilipinas.
For sure.
To be a part. At para I'm sure she'd do a lot of things.
To add brilliance sa
Oo,
company.
Yeah, not just the company,
Di
for
ba?
the nation itself. Malay natin,
Totoo. Totoo.
she has a wide range of opportunity.
That is so true.
Yes. Okay, balik na tayo dyan.
Di ba?
Sumajump ako eh.
That's okay, Mother. Before I proceed to the next question, guys, and Mother, we would like to shout out to one of our distributors, Ma'am Julie Ann Rodriguez, Ma'am Tina Conde Pilar, and Miss Irene Acuna. Hello po.
Hello po.
And to Sir Rodney Rosilio, hello po to all my friends watching sa social media. Switch to Green Mount page and dun nyo kami palokarin. Diba?
Yes,
Dun
hello po
kami.
sa inyong lahat and thank you for watching.
Yes, correct.
Ayan.
Ayan,
Okay.
di ba? Marami na kami napapagkwentuhan ni Bader.
Order na ba kayo ng bago niyong box?
Ay, dapat!
Oo.
Dapat sila mag-order na mag-Christmas Mother.
Yes.
Speaking of box, we have
Excuse me.
our holiday boxes available dito sa HQ.
Yes.
You can just message us sa numbers na nakapost sa aming social media or sa social media mismo namin.
Yes.
Message lang po kayo at we'll be more than happy to accommodate you. Diba?
Exactly. Okay.
So, Mother, what triggered to turn your friendship into a business or into business?
As you know, I am a single mother.
Mm-hmm.
So is May.
Yes.
May is a
ma'am.
single mother. si Julius is single.
Single. Single
Si
parent.
Attorney, piniparent tayo
Yeah.
si Julius. Anyway, you know, when you're a single mom, walang limitasyon yung, yung drive mo to provide
Parang
for
hindi po
your
kayo pwedeng
children.
mapagod. Kasi marami kayong, I mean, di ba, you have like a family to support.
Yes. Ako naman, luckily, graduate na ako. Because napatapos ko na lahat ng anak ko. They all
In
have their
fairness.
own respective lives.
True.
Pero hindi porke napatapos mo sila, tapos na rin yung
Pagiging magulang.
pagiging magulang mo. Because hindi naman humihinto ang pagiging magulang. And every now and then, kumbaga ngayon, when I work, the way I strive in my life, this one naman is for myself.
True.
Ito na yung tipong ipon na ako kasi, hi! Ipon na ako para na sa sarili ko to. Para pag nagkasakit ako, para sa pagtanda ko, kung
Yeah.
meron akong mga kailangan, this one naman is for myself.
True.
Pero ang maganda naman dyan, alam ko na kung ano man ang mangyari sa akin, my children are also there. It's not an obligation for them
It's
to
not.
take care of me or anything like that. Pero ang sarap lang na alam ko na kung ano man ang mangyayari sa akin, they are there.
Totoo
You know,
po yan. Totoo
they
po
have
yan.
my back and I am really, really happy about that. As for May naman, si May kasi, she has 2 more years for Nicole. And hindi rin kasi mura ang
No.
pag-aaral ni... In fairness, walang binabayaran si May pagdating sa school.
Wala.
Pero may boarding house
Yes,
yan.
yes.
And nasa Amerika, alam mo naman ang
Yeah,
inflation
iba.
ba yan, mababalik
And
ka.
iba, ay, totoo po. Totoo.
So si May talaga is really striving and she's also supporting din your family,
Yes
di
po.
ba? Although lahat naman kayo,
Yes
may
po,
kanya-kanya
tapos na po.
nyo ng
Trabaho.
trabaho.
Yes po.
Pero syempre bilang anak, andyan pa rin yung gusto mong ibigay yung lambing ni
Pampers ni
mami,
mama.
ni tita.
Yeah.
Di ba? Na pauwi, mapuntang late na ulit
Sa Seth! Sa Seth!
Oo. And then kay
May mga hold up
Seth.
na sa Seth!
So, alam mo yun, hindi dahil tapos ka na siguro sa responsibility. No! Kasi dire-diretso, lalo na mahal ang pamumuhay ngayon. So, hindi ka rin pa pwede mag-stick lang sa isang trabaho. Ako po, artista ako. I get paid quite a good number of, per day.
Totoo po.
Pero sa mahal ng buhay ngayon, hindi rin pa pwedeng isa lang ang trabaho mo. And karamihan po sa aming mga artista, believe it or not, we have our second and third jobs.
May side hustle.
Yes, may side hustle
And speaking of
talaga.
side hustle, si Mother is also a distributor of
Yes,
Green. Kaka-reorder niya nga lang last week eh. Ng stocks.
Hindi kasi,
Yes!
ito
Totoo.
naman, hindi kasi siya rin yung ibibigay ko sa
Christmas.
mga pagregalo ko ng
Yes,
Pasko.
opo.
Kasi, I hardly know anyone na hindi uminom ng kape.
Correct.
Ang maganda lang nito, pag natikman naman nila yung kape na.
Naku, ang sarap.
So, share ang sarap ng kape
Totoo,
ninyo.
totoo.
Like, ito, a few days ago, I was with Miss Glenda Garcia. And I gave her our coffee
Sabi
also.
nga po, sabi
And
nga
then,
po.
sabi, nag-message siya talaga. Sabi niya, kapatid, sabi niya, I really like your coffee. Sabi niya, gano'n. Okay naman ako kung bibigyan mo ako ulit.
Bigyan natin, Mother.
Eh, nagkita sila ni May.
Opo.
So, sabi ni May, okay, Mother, I'll give you one.
Walang problema,
Yun.
Mother.
So,
Walang
yun yung
problema.
nakakatuwa because people like our product. Hindi dahil sinasabi lang namin
Yes.
sa produkto, pero totoo po yan. Totoo po yan. We have very good testaments from people who says our coffee is
Really good.
Yeah.
We are not overrating it as
No.
what we have been claiming talaga. What we are claiming is legit and true.
Yes.
So, we're not overrating it, we're not overselling it just because we are from Greenma, but it's really good. It
Yes.
is
Maganda
really
rin
good.
pag siguro nakakausap kayo ng ibang tao
Yes.
who's tried it na hindi naman in the executive arena
Yes,
of
totoo,
Greenman
totoo.
or from Greenman, di ba? Pero yun yung nakakatuwa. Actually, sinasabi nila, di ba? For a brand, pag nagbigay ka ng brand, nagbigay ka ng produkto mo, at nagustuhan, you created a brand.
True.
Pero pag umulit sila, then that gives it authenticity.
Totoo. Totoo.
And yun po yung meron sa amin.
In
We
fairness.
are not just a brand here. We are giving you an authentic brand that stays true to what we promise.
True. True.
Ayan.
Totoo. Uy! Di ba? Dami namin napapag-usapan. Di ba? Pangatlo pa lang yun. So I still have
Ano
couple
na?
of
Hindi
questions.
pa tapos yun?
Hindi pa ba, girl? Lumaban tayo. Dahil may shoutout muna tayo to Arvin Baguio. Hi, Arvin. To my best friend, Fern Peñaranda. Hello.
Hi, Fern.
Oh, di ba? Shoutout ka ni Mother. To Jezebel, hello. Now,
Yeah.
Mother, what do you think are the benefits of having friends as business partners?
Well, I cannot talk for others, but I can only, parang, I can give a testament based on what I have with me and
Mhm.
Julius. Ang maganda sa amin, ako at tingin ko maganda dyan, kasi if you start when you start to develop that friendship, trust is there.
True.
Importante kasi may tiwala.
That's the foundation.
So, yes. Because kung may tiwala, it's so easy.
Mhm.
Like sa amin ni May, because may mga tiwala kami sa isa't isa, halimbawa, merong ibinito sa akin na trabaho, she trusts that I will be able to deliver.
True.
And kung halimbawa man, hindi, it's so easy for us to talk about it.
Yep.
And then, pag-usapan namin kung ano yung tingin namin mas maganda para magawa naman namin yung proyektong balak
As it
gusto
should
namin
be.
gawin.
Totoo po.
Diba? And the one thing nice pa rin with us, malinaw sa amin that work is work, personal is personal.
That's true.
Marunong kaming maghiwalay nun.
In
Hindi
fairness.
pa pwede sa isang negosyo, you will be emotional just because you have this foundation as friends.
Yes.
Hindi mo pa pwedeng gawing ang tawag doon? Hindi pa pwedeng just because you're friends you can get away with anything.
Yes.
No. Actually, mas dapat kang mahiya kasi
Correct.
magkaibigan kayo.
Totoo po.
Diba?
Totoo po.
Dapat we know how to separate that. And that's exactly what we have. Yun ang maa-advise ko. Huwag kayong matakot makipagnegosyo sa mga kaibigan ninyo. Pero importanteng kilala ninyo kung ano yung dynamics ng pagkatao ng kaibigan ninyo.
And you trust.
Yes, and the trust is buo. If the trust is not buo, if you're somebody who thinks na parang no, hindi pa pwedeng, kasi di ba sa negosyo merong sinasabing confidentiality. Kailangan hindi mo sa malaman nung isa
Yeah.
kung ano yung iniisip mo, para mga copyright yan, para
True,
mga gano'n.
true.
Intellectual property,
Right,
mga
right,
ganyan.
right.
Ko hindi eh. It doesn't work that way. Para sa akin,
It's not always.
to be able to for your company to really flourish, honesty is very important.
True.
Kailangan lay down the cards because kayo lang din mismo ang magtutulungan.
Correct.
Because ang pag-angat ng isang kumpanya is not because of one person alone. Hindi dahil magaling ang CEO mo, hindi dahil magaling ang marketing mo, hindi dahil lahat yan, pamilya yan. Lahat yan, boy. You
Equal.
work as a team.
Correct.
Because kung team kayo, mas mabilis kayong aangat.
Yes.
At hindi rin kayo nagtitirahan, hindi kayo nag-iinggitan, dapat nagtutulungan kayo. Because that's the way to do it. Ang importanteng, isa pang pwede kong sabihin, and which is very rare nowadays, is when you find somebody who gives that malasakit in your work, value that person. Kasi hindi yun nababayaran.
Not just in work, I believe, Mother. I think also...
Even in friendship.
Di ba,
Yes,
Mother?
even in friendship.
Also, for personal things, like in friendship, and in any type, all types of relationship, if someone gives you malasakit,
Hold on to it.
diba?
Yes. Ako, ang malasakit sa akin ni Maze, gano'n na lang.
Ay, naku, Mother, totoo. Diyos
Hindi ko
ko,
matatawaran yan.
sabi nga ni ate, sabi niya, you were the one who opened a lot of opportunities. Yeah, yan ang sinabi niya. You're one of the people who opened a lot of
Ay,
opportunities.
sayak naman ako doon.
Yeah, yan ang sinasabi niya sa akin. Ma'am.
Talaga
Yan
ba?
ang sinasabi niya sa akin. And that's so true. And that's so true.
Pero alam mo, yun yung sinasabi, compliment each other.
Yeah.
If May
That's
thinks
humility.
I opened a lot of opportunities or I paved the way, I would like to say, honestly, it's not my doing. That's God's.
True.
I am only an avenue.
Mm.
Binigyan
Kasi-
lang ako ng ganung talento
Yes.
para siguro madala yung gusto niya. Kasi lahat naman yan, hiningi rin ni May yan sa Diyos eh.
Correct. And
Diba?
kasi, because of mother, I don't know if I'm sorry.
Oo!
Kasi, I'm sorry, kasi,
Yeah.
kasi nga, si mother ang rason bakit salubong ang mga landas ni Ate May tsaka ni Miss Janeline Mercado.
Yes.
Sa aktor! Ni Dong, ni Ding Dong
Dong.
Dantes, and you know,
Pero you know what?
I'm sorry I have to whisper because I'm not sure if I'm allowed to tell that online.
Yes,
So
yes,
I'm so
yes.
sorry.
It's alright. Because one of the companies that we handle is the company of Channeling.
Ayun, no?
And very, very soon, we will make that known to everybody.
For
Watch
sure.
out.
Nako, watch
Because
out.
something big is really going to happen.
That is so true.
But you know what? Going back to what you were saying early on, hindi ko rin naman gagawin yung ginawa ko kung hindi ko mapapagkatiwalaan si May.
That is true.
If I was not able to see how good a person your sister is, how wonderful her heart is made of, and how intelligent she is,
She's brilliant.
how brilliant she is, and yung background kasi ni May as somebody na nagtrabaho din, naging empleyado din, I like the way her heart is has evolved
Yes.
because
Ako, tested po yan. Puta.
because kasi I think that one of the nicest
Things.
isa sa pinakamaganda sa isang head ng company or CEO is when she also went through the steps kung paano ka lumaki.
Yeah.
Okay, so from a typical clerk or
Yeah,
whatever, di ba?
teacher po yun eh.
Oo. And she likes teaching until now.
Yeah.
So, si May kasi, inano niya, she trudged the stairs, dinaanan niya lahat ng steps. Kaya, napakasarap niyang boss.
Yeah.
Because alam niya ang pakiramdam ng isang empleyado.
And she
Alam
listens.
niya ang pangangailangan.
Correct.
And she is the type na, parang testament kay May itong ginagawa ko. Anyway,
Yeah, but, you know.
she is the type na hindi porke CEO siya or magaling siya or brilliant siya, matalino siya, is alam niya lahat. She
Yeah.
respects the idea that she doesn't know everything. Although parang she does everything. Pero respetado niya yung angulo na ang tao may kanya-kanyang galing.
Yes.
And ilabas mo yung galing ng kasama mo sa
And
trabaho.
pupush ka niyan.
Because mas magiging maganda yung samahan niyo.
Correct.
Kaya it's so nice to come here
Yeah.
in this office because it's really just happy.
Magaan.
It's a happy place.
Yeah, magaan.
Everybody, even our principals.
Yeah, totoo po.
As in, ang sarap din katrabaho. Hindi mo mararamdaman na, hoy, ako ang boss mo. Walang ganon.
No, wala.
Walang ganon.
Wala
So,
po.
in this office, everybody is just happy to be working with one another.
It's,
And yun yung pinakamaganda.
correct, equally respected.
Yes,
Equally
yes,
respected.
yes.
Regardless of the position
Yes,
that you have in this company.
Exactly.
Shoutout muna natin si Madam Riza Wilson. Hi, Madam.
You know what? I got my cookies and I'm so... Napasigaw ako kanina when I got it.
Yeah, kasi pinadalan ko na. Plant-based yun, yung butter yata na
Oo.
ginamit. Tama ba, Miss C? Plant-based yung butter na ginamit.
Alam mo, pag inisip ko ng gawing negosyo, alam mo na kung anong gagawin ko, di ba?
Di ba? So, I'm actually into the last part of the
Oh, talaga ba?
session.
Huwag na, huwag na.
May last question ako, pero shoutout ko muna si Arvin Bayo, sabi na, masarap, hiyangan health, masarap daw yung kape at healthy. Oh, ito,
Yes.
si
By the
Arvin,
way, kikwento ko sa kanila. You know what? When I was doing Akusada,
Yeah, yun.
we were still with the R&D.
yep.
Diba? Although tapos na siya, pero packaging and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Sa set po, ito talagang kape namin. Sorry.
In fairness, totoo yan. Nagdadala nga kami dun sa shooting nila eh.
Yes.
That was the first time I met Miss Andrea Torres.
Yes. So, ang packaging pa natin nun, yung sa
Yeah.
samples natin, di ba?
Yung
malalaki.
pouch.
Pero the whole time for 6 months that I was making Akusada, ang kape po namin is ito.
And
So when finally lumabas ito, binigyan ko pa yung iba namin mga
Yes.
artists. Like for example, si Benjamin Alves. Si Benj is black drinker ng coffee, pero nang matikman niya to, favorite niya tong 7-in-1. Oo, kaya ang regalo nila lahat sa akin, ito pa rin.
That's healthy.
Of course!
Wonder, di
So
ba?
everybody in Akusada, ito po ang official coffee namin sa
Ayan, no?
Ayan.
Di ba? And
Shout out to my mga family.
yes, correct. So, the Akusada family,
Andrea.
maraming salamat po sa
Then,
support.
support nyo rin po si Marco and si Ashley who is now
Sa
in
PBB.
PBB.
Yes.
Ayan.
Yes, sa PBB. And I would like to say thanks to Miss Andrea Torres. She's posting this on
Yes.
IG.
Everybody.
Yeah, I mean,
Everybody.
diba,
Even
these
sila
are-
Lian Valentina.
Right, totoo.
Favorite nila lahat to.
Even these are big stars and in the showbiz
And
industry.
honestly po, wala po kaming binabayad sa kanila.
Naku,
Binibigyan ko
totoo.
lang sila ng kape.
True.
Ganon po yung produkto namin. Hindi po kami nagbabayad ng artista. They post it because they like
I mean,
it.
talking about
Ayan.
authenticity,
Yes.
that is authentic.
Yes.
Di ba, Mother?
And very soon, watch out yung Miss Dina Bonavi is coming.
I know! Akala ko hindi pwede ano.
And then
Pwede
kasi,
pala.
ano, yes, pwede naman.
Pwede, yun.
Because, ano ba yun? Because, ang Green Mile po is the official coffee of the house.
Yun, the House of D. Watch it on YouTube. It's on YouTube. You
Yes.
watch, if you can subscribe, much better, di
Oh
ba?
yes, please like, share, and subscribe.
Subscribe.
The House of the...
On
Bukas
YouTube.
po, actually, akong guest dyan.
Tomorrow, Mother? Ay,
We're-
perfect.
We're talking about family matters. So, panoorin niyo po yan tomorrow.
Yeah.
We will be talking about step sisters or step family, step siblings
Uh-huh.
and half siblings. So, pag-usapan po na natin yan tomorrow with our director.
Yes.
So, kami po bukas ang guest.
And Mother, i-klaro lang natin sa kanila kasi baka ho, akala nila nagbabayad tayo sa mga artistang pumupunta rito.
No.
Si Dina Bonavi will be our next
Hindi pa natin alam kasi
Kung kailan,
No, but
exactly.
kasi kausap ko si Miss D kanina.
Right.
It will be happening in January.
Ayun, no.
Yes,
Pero
so,
wala po
watch
yung
out.
bayad, Mother.
Wala.
Yes.
Wala.
Parang, di ba?
Wala.
Yan kasi parang gusto talaga
Akala kasi
nila.
siguro ng iba.
Yes, Mother.
Well, yes. Iba kasi yung official endorsements.
Yes.
Okay, iba yun. Pero kasi, tandaan mo ang mga artista, hindi naman yan lahat parang pera-pera lang. Hindi
No,
ganon.
no.
Pagka naniniwala sila sa produkto and they can be of help, lalo na sa mga start-up na mga companies, they really do post. Tumutulong sila. Like for example, si Jenny Lynn. Si Jenny Lynn, pagka nagpadala ka dyan ng pagkain, ako before, when I was, during the pandemic, I was selling, kasi syempre hindi kami makapunta
Yeah.
diba? I was selling food. Pinadala ko yan ng favorite niya, pininyan, pinost. And then, ang dami rin nagpapadala kay Jenny Lynn ng mga pagkain, mga kung ano-ano, mga kumpanya na nag-uumpisa. Hindi madamot ang mga artista
In fairness.
in helping mga start-up na mga negosyo, lalo na yung mga nanay
Yes.
na yung para lang to add a little more in their tables
Yes.
na pangkabuhayan
Right.
para hindi po swapa ng mga artista sa ganyan.
Lalo na po ngayon,
huwag niyo pong
Mother.
isipin ng mga artista pera-pera.
Correct.
Hindi ganun.
Lalo na
And
po
Jenny
ngayon.
is one of the
Most-
most generous I know. Na kaya mahal na mahal ko yung batang yan. Eh.
Right.
Kaya mahal na mahal ko yan. Mahal na mahal din ni May yan.
Correct. Nakakasama po natin yan.
Oo.
Ay, iba-brag ko lang. Nakakasama po namin si Miss Jan dun sa naglalakad kami, kung saan pagkain kami together. But, but yeah, lalo na ngayon, kasi Mother, ang gulo ng mundo, we need a lot of kind people.
Actually, this world
Diba?
needs a lot of kindness.
Yes.
And kung meron mang mga hindi, believe me, marami pa rin mabubuting.
Yeah, totoo.
So, hanapin mo lang because they are there. Pero para makita mo yung kindness ng ibang tao, pakita mo rin how kind you are. And if in the event, kahit naging mabait ka, pinakitaan ka ng hindi maganda, hayaan mo na yon. Charge it to experience. look the other way, most probably, you will find somebody kind out there.
True, true. And speaking of kindness, Mother, shout out and thank you so much to our principals.
Oh, yeah.
Maraming
One of the
salamat.
kindest we know.
People, maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat po. And ako, emotional na tayo.
It's
Balikan ko,
alright, the season calls you.
di ba? Balikan ko lang sabi ni Arvin, is one of my friends na nagtatrabaho sa BPO industry. And nag-order siya ng kape natin. And sabi niya,
Siyempre, kailangan nila to.
correct.
Yes.
Sana at mga ano yan, mga
Hindi na
nocturnal.
matulog.
Mga nocturnal yan sila, mother. Baliktad ang oras nila kasi di ba,
Yes.
they cater services to people or to businesses outside of the Philippines,
Yes.
which is ang oras magkaiba or magkasalungat, kumbaga. But yun, maraming salamat po sa support.
Di ba yun ang nakakatuwa sa mga Pilipino?
In fairness.
Ganun tayo ka sipag magtrabaho. Ganun
Versatile.
tayo ka-resilient.
Correct.
And all for family.
Yes.
For one. Hindi tayo ganyan for ourselves.
True.
No, we do it for our loved ones. And yun ang nakakatuwa sa mga Pilipino. Kaya din, yung mga Filipinos abroad or OFW, saludo kami sa inyo.
Correct, correct.
Kasi yung ginagawa ninyo, kung alam lang ng mga pamilya ninyo, yung klase ng pagtatrabahong ginagawa niyo sa ibang bansa, I think, mas lalo nila kayong ma-appreciate. Kaya, do not at any given time hesitate to tell them how difficult life is for you in other parts of the world.
Sure.
Because that's the only way they would know the kind of love that in its truest form. Yan ang pinakamalaking sakripisyo ginagawa ninyo para sa mga ninyo sa buhay. Kaya sa mga kaibigan po natin, mga OFW, saludo kami sa inyo.
Yeah, maraming salamat po sa inyo.
And
Thank
if
you for your
want,
service.
If you want, okay, na magkaroon ng mga negosyo yung mga kamag-anak nyo dito para
Yeah.
hindi naman kayo masyadong nahihirapan, give us a ring, call us, because Green Mile is open for distribution. We are
Correct.
open to be your business partners.
Yes.
And promise, meron kami magandang business model para sa inyo.
Correct.
Watch out
correct.
for that.
Totoo. You can start your business with Green Mile.
Yes, and be your
Totoo
own
yan.
boss.
Yes.
And malay niyo. Kasi, ang Green Mile, limitless ang earnings mo dito, depende sa
Totoo yan. Sabi ko
So,
nga,
kung
Mother.
gusto mong makita in the future na matapos ka na rin
Yeah.
magtrabaho sa ibang bansa at makasama mo na ang anak mo, give this a thought, tignan ninyo, umpisahan mo ng
Give it a
maliit,
try.
and then nasa sa inyo yan kung paano
Yeah,
siya
totoo.
mapapalaki. Because we will always be just here to support what you do.
Totoo. Sabi ko nga, Mother, hindi ako mapapagod sabihin to sa inyo. To all our Gmilers, to non-Gmilers, not yet, maybe not yet. But listen, 8,000 to 34,500 a week.
A month.
A week, ma'am.
A week,
A
okay.
week. Can you imagine? Sisipagan mo lang.
Oh yeah.
Side hustle lang to. So, ang laking tulong for...
Ito na, yung top Gmiler natin.
Yes!
Ano siya, in 1 month, 2 million ba?
Yes, ma'am.
In 1 month, 2 million
Yes.
ang naging order.
Yes.
So can you imagine that?
True,
So
true.
depende talaga sa sipag mo.
Agree. Totoo yan. So, yun, tulungan natin ang isa't isa and para, lalo na ngayon na, diba, hindi ganun
Yeah, ka-stable.
ka-stable ang market natin, ang ekonomiya natin.
Yes.
So, trabaho tayo. Maging alipin
Sabi
tayo ng
nga.
salapi in a good way. In a good way,
Pero
mother.
sabi nga, nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa.
Surely
Ayan.
indeed. And here we go. The last question
Meron
I
pa
have
question?
for you is, what convinced you to join Green Mile or Ate May?
You know, the conception of Green Mile, although ano na to, naka-ready na. Naka-ready na siya. Alam ko na siya. Pero, kung paano siya ilalabas sa market, alam ko na from the onset.
Right.
So, from the very beginning, May already made me become a part of it. So, napapagkwento na namin siya, napapag-usapan namin siya. And then, boom, the right time happened.
True.
everything falls in God's time, in God's will, in God's perfect timing.
Totoo.
And when it happened, it was right. It was right. It was precisely when it should happen.
Correct.
So, it was so very easy.
Correct.
Alam mo yun? And isa sa mga bagay na gusto ko when I was asked to be on board, kasi bago pa siya lumabas, iniinom ko na siya.
Ay, correct ako.
Actually, pati yung separate niyan, bago siya pinaghalo-halo,
Yeah, right.
iniinom ko na yung barley,
Gromats, yes.
iniinom ko na yung beetroot,
Yeah.
iniinom ko na yung lahat. Okay? So, alam ko yung benefit niya para sa katawan.
Body. Yeah, totoo.
But you know what really got me into it? Because when I heard our principal say that this is her way of giving
Giving back. Yes.
because she wants every Filipino person to have a taste of this and start taking it because maganda siya sa katawan mo. It's to help you with cancer, diabetes, a lot of major illnesses, hypertension, heart, gut, everything. Okay? Lahat po ng makakatulong sa katawan ng isang tao is in this brown box.
Yeah.
So, because of that, and the conviction to be able to help Filipinos, not just with their health, but also to help them
Financially.
put food in their table,
True.
that was it.
True.
Yun lang yung kailangan kong
Totoo.
malaman at marinig. Kasi at the end of the day, we all want to go to heaven.
Correct.
So, ang sarap lang na yung principal mo, hindi lang sarili niyang inisip
Hindi
niya.
madamo.
Kumbaga,
Hindi madamo.
syempre, kinailangan mo na niyang ayusin yung pamilya niya. And then when she's ready, with all the blessings that was given to her, ito yung balik niya sa Panginoon. Ito yung balik niya sa tao.
Yeah.
Para sa inyo naman ito ngayon.
Totoo.
So, ito pong kumpanyang to, hindi po ito swapang
No.
sa kita or anything like that.
No.
No. Kung alam niyo lang yung hirap ng gawin para gawin ito. Pero ito talaga is para ibalik sa tao yung blessings na binigay din sa kanya.
This was actually started as a dream for this
Yes.
two lovely ladies, di ba? For the two lovely ladies, yung principals natin, ma'am. Sila yung nag-start lang sila because out of passion and love for coffee, and then yun nga, giving back to the community, giving chance to
For others to thrive.
for people to thrive, to start their own business
Yes.
with Green Mile. So, yun, maybe that's the reason why we're so blessed. No?
We are.
We are so
Actually,
blessed. We're just we're in operations
We're
for
a very young company.
for 3 months now. So, but we're doing good. We're doing good. And thank God for that. And thank you again. Maraming salamat po doon sa mga principals namin sa suporta sa pakikinig.
Ito po kasi yung Green Mile, you just give us a ring if you're a coffee drinker.
Yes.
Just give it a try.
True.
Hindi ko kayo kinakausap para maging distributor, no. But I would like for you to try and switch to a healthy coffee.
Yes.
Because it's for you. Because bakit ba natin gustong alagaan ng health natin? Bakit gusto natin quality yung mga kinakain natin or anything like that? Kasi we want to have a longer life so that we
Correct.
can still be with our families. So, ito po yung kapeng kinasanayan natin. It's loaded with sugar, I'm not kidding. So, give us a chance, try this, because this one is also very beneficial for you.
True.
Mas gusto nating ipasok sa katawan natin yung alam natin, maaalagaan yung kabuuan ng katawan natin, what's there inside. So this coffee will help you get that.
Correct.
Yun lang.
And that is how we live and love our best
Best
life with Green Mile. So everyone, thank you so much for watching. Be kind. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Kindness is
Mother.
free.
Thank you.
Give it limitlessly. Okay.